शंकर हर हर शंकर जय जय 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 शंकर हर हर शंकर हर हर शंकर जय जय शंकर हर हर शंकर जय जय शंकर जय जय शंकर हर हर शंकर जय जय शंकर
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Vol 1, Part 11, Chapter 1, Mangalarati. Hanuman will bless us all. The greatness of Anjaneya Swami is something unique. We will understand his greatness if we see what all he bestows on devotees. Buddhir balam yashodairam nirbhayatvam arogata ajaryam vakpatum tvam cha hanumat smaranat bhavet. This shloka details what all Anjaneya bestows on those who always keep him in their mind. He gives intellect, strength, fame, determination, fearless heart, health, alertness, and the power of speech. Usually, all these are not together found in one person. A high intellectual may be a weakling. A person of great strength may be stupid. Even if he has both, he may be a coward or he may suffer from fear psychosis. However great his capability, he may not be active and alert enough to use it and will be lazy. A great intellectual may lack power of speech and may not be able to put across what he knows. Anjaneya puts in one place all the virtues without the conflict of opposites. The reason for this is that all the qualities we do not see in one person and all the power are in him fully. What we think are opposites are in him naturally. For example, a very strong man may not have humility. A high intellectual person will not have devotion untended by ego. But Anjaneya comes on top in humility and bhakti in much as physical strength, intellectual capacity, etc. Despite he being a very powerful person, he feels that all his Shaktis, what Rama has given as if it were arms, and what this humility he did not want any possession and continued to be Ramadasa. Because he was a servant, like that he was a complete person. Even for those who are bhakti, there may be lack of clarity, jnana, and it will be blind faith out of the truth, for they will quarrel that bhakti and jnana are different from each other. But Anjaneya, even when he was a great bhakti of Ramachandramurti, was also a great jnani. The shloka Vaidehi Sahitam says that just as Dakshinamurti gives Upadesha keeping Sanaka and other rishis before him, Sri Rama gives Jnanopadesha keeping Anjaneya Swami before him. He had, by being on the flag of Arjuna's chariot, personally heard the Gita Upadesha. It is said that there is a commentary for Gita in Paisacha language that is full of philosophical truth, and that this was compiled by Anjaneya. Rama himself praised him as Nava Vyakarana Veda, that is one who knew the 9 Vyakaranas. He was so learned, yet keeping his intellectual brightness and the glory of his strength subdued, he enjoys great bliss in bhakti only. It is not as if he was not attending to the affairs of the world because of his bhakti. There is none to compare for the great courage with which he had fought, protected the weak. He is the ideal for Loka Seva, service to the world. The highest in jnana, the highest in strength, the highest in bhakti, the highest state in love, the highest state in glory, the highest state in service, the highest state in humility. If there is one in which all these are combined, it is only Anjaneya Swami. On top of all of these, his brahmacharya needs to be mentioned. He is highly pure with a moment's thought about kamam. He never thought of anything for himself. He attained fullness without any kamam and only rendering service to Rama. In our region, we call him Hanuman. In Kannada region, we call him Hanumantayya. If you go beyond Chittor, all over Andhra Pradesh, he is called Anjaneya Yalu. In Maharashtra, he is called Maruti. Further north, he is celebrated as Mahavir. There is no comparison to Anjaneya. The moment we think of him, we will get boldness. Jnana Kama will perish. Let us, with great humility, render service to God, Bhagavat Kainkaryam, and do good to all. Wherever there is sound, Ram Ram, and whenever there is pravachan of Ramayana, Raghunatha Kirtanam, there, without being seen by us, Anjaneya stands and listens to it with tears of joy pouring down. In the present times, more than any other blessing, the quality of humility is very necessary. However much we may get, we feel it is not sufficient and keeping raising our needs higher and higher. By this, we only create more dissatisfaction and newer wants. We can be the recipients of Ishvara Prasad only if we are humble. That only is satisfaction, fullness. May Anjaneya bestow on us that blessing. There will be nothing wanting for those who pray to him. Let us, for Dharma to prevail all over the world, pray to him. It was with his help that Ravana and the others were defeated and Rama Rajya was established, because he was on the flag of Arjuna started. After war, Dharma Rajya was established. In later days, whenever Dharma, Bhakti and suffered serious declines, Samat Ramadas Swami came on the sense of the avatar of Anjaneya and through Sevaji re-established Dharma. Even today, for Dharma and Bhakti come up in all countries, we need his blessings. If we sincerely pray to him, he will bless us. Anjaneya Swami Jai.
Hara Shankara Jaya Jaya Shankara Hara Hara Shankara Jaya Jaya Shankara Hara Hara Shankara Jaya Jaya Shankara.